good afternoon to everyone. Respected principal madam, respected vice principal madam, and teachers, my dear friends and my dear sisters. Very colorful good afternoon to everyone. Today we are discussing different types of pollution. There are three types of pollutions: air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. So I am telling about the main role in our life, that is air pollution. Without air we cannot live here. So air pollution is an environment issue. So it harms the lives of human life, animal life, and plants. So it is the root of causes main diseases like asthma, etc. So air pollution makes the global warming. It spoils the beauty of nature and air pollution is a causes of ozone layer and it damage ozone layer also. So trees contain fuel burnings and due to the air pollution. So we have to plant a tree. Without tree we cannot live here. Without plants there are no oxygen. So we have to breathe the natural gases. So we have to plant a tree. Without plant there is no oxygen. So in nowadays the oxygen also paying like 3 to 2 lakhs of money paying and oxygen paying. So we have to one reason. So we have to one another process also. We pay 50 or 100 rupees plants. We plant a tree. So it gives a natural oxygen. The high money gives a less value. Less money gives a high value. So what is the meaning of air pollution? Air pollution meaning the mixing of another gases like carbon dioxide, etc. So it causes the different types of diseases. So we have to plant a tree. So sources of air pollution, there are many types of sources. So I am telling industrial emissions. Industrial emissions is the releases of carbon dioxide, monoxide, carbon monoxide. These are very harmful gases mixing into the air, and if we breathe that polluted air, it gives our spoils our body and illness of our health. And fuel burnings are trees burns and fuel burnings and etc. It is also pollute the air and automobiles. If we smoke the vehicles, it gives a very difficult air. Smoke gives a effect on our lungs. So cannot use that life. And agriculture air pollution. So we are using a pesticides, fertilizers, etc. If we pour to the agriculture, it will be diffracted, and the pesticides and fertilizers mixing into the air. If we breathe that air, it spoils to our life and injure our health too. So air pollutions are classified into 4 types: indoor, outdoor, urban air pollution, and rural pollution. So indoor air pollution are using 3 to 4 billions of people indoor air pollution in houses. There are so many old cooking and modern cooking. So we are using indoor more gases like stoves, LPG gases. In LPG gases is the presence of methane and bromine gases. It will be harmful indoor air pollution. So nowadays every year the 4.3 billions of people dying with the indoor air pollution. So this is the indoor pollution. So outdoor pollution is made in urban areas, and it will be causes injury to our health. Outdoor air pollution is a causes of many diseases. Outdoor air pollution is the causes of outside like vehicles and smoke. So this is the outdoor. So I am telling about now urban air pollution. Urban air pollution is a experience outdoor, and urban areas pollutes our society and pollutes the air also. If we are smoking is a very dangerous, injurious, like a disease, cancer also, and air pollutes. It will be pollute the air also. So this is the urban area pollution, and the now rural area pollutants. So rural area pollutants like farming, agriculture, mining, and we are using indoor like LPG gases also. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.